Kishkinda rested between rugged mountains and deep forests, a kingdom wrapped in silence, as though destiny itself waited patiently for the right moment to awaken hope. From the cliffs above, Sugriva watched the forest carefully, for a heart wounded by betrayal learns to fear even the calmest strangers. Memories of pain lingered within him, reminding him how power misused can turn even a brother into an enemy. Choosing wisdom over fear, Sugriva turned to Hanuman and sent him to discover the truth behind the mysterious visitors. Disguised as a humble sage, Hanuman walked toward the strangers, hiding the strength of a warrior behind gentle words. When Hanuman met Rama and Lakshmana, recognition flowed instantly, as though destiny had finally revealed its plan. In that sacred moment, devotion bowed before righteousness, honoring the divine purpose it recognized. Rama embraced Hanuman warmly, as if welcoming a companion bound by destiny across lifetimes. Seeing this bond, Sugriva gathered courage and stepped forward from the shadows of fear. He spoke of a kingdom stolen, a brother's betrayal, and the pain of living as an exile in his own land. Rama listened patiently, for true justice begins with understanding. Then, with calm resolve, Rama promised to stand against injustice and restore what was lost. In that forest clearing, Rama and Sugriva forged a sacred alliance of hope and destiny. Hanuman stood beside them, devotion guarding the bond that had just been formed. Above Kishkinda, clouds slowly gathered, whispering of the battles yet to come. Yet within the forest, hope began to rise, after years of silence. Dharma no longer stood alone, strength quietly gathered around it. Exile had transformed into destiny, setting the stage for the timeless journey of the Ramayana.